Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, head currency analyst. In this video I'm going to be taking you through dollar CAD as the price has approached the top of a potential range here and looking for that reversal setup. So why am I looking at dollar CAD? Well, there's a couple of different reasons. The first reason I want to start off with is the strength meter. The green line here is the Canadian dollar, and it is showing us that it is one of the strongest currencies at the moment. So I want to be potentially looking for long ideas on this market against currencies that could potentially reverse. Now, the dollar is on a huge run at the minute. And so you might be thinking, well, why am I going to be looking at dollar CAD short from the top of the range if the dollar is bullish? Well, if we go take a look at the dollar index, we can see that we're actually approaching a major resistance level. Okay, so you can see here price, the last time price hit these highs was around the 3rd of March 2020. Now this rally we know was from the sort of pandemic and all the sort of lockdowns globally and things like that. We saw huge bullishness in the dollar before the reversal. So we're literally back at this massive level where we've seen numerous shorts coming in. So basically, are we going to see the same thing again? Are we going to see a rejection here for the US dollar now? And are we going to see prices drive lower? Now, very much price is being driven by the Federal Reserve comments at the moment. Looking at that 50 basis points hike going into May and other sort of factors in the market currently with regards to risk sentiment and things like that. So dollar really benefiting this week. We've had quite an incredible rally up. So, you know, we're at resistance. So when the market's at resistance, you want to be looking at areas, you know, are we going to see sellers come back in basically? And if it's going to come back in, what are we going to trade it against? Well, I want to trade it against the stronger currencies, okay? So, you know, like I said, if I go back to CAD, CAD is one of those stronger currencies. And we know that really because price is in a range. You know, dollar has been bullish, but dollar CAD has ranged, which basically means that CAD is also super strong at the moment. So, looking at the potential for this price to tap the top of the range and move back down towards the lows at 124.50. Now, if you have a quick look at the 4-hour time frame, what we typically like to see if price is going to start to break down is a change of trend. You know, as we saw it down here when price was here before, the market consolidated, broke out of it, came all the way back down, retested the demand zone down through here, and price spiked to the upside. I want to be looking for something similar here. If price is going to consolidate in and around this area here, maybe even another rally up towards the 129 and break down and reject, you know, if we get some kind of consolidation breakout there, that's when we're going to be looking for opportunities to trade within this range here on dollar CAD. So keep an eye on it. Market to watch for now and sort of in the future as well, especially if we do get the rally back up to the 129 area. Keep an eye on that dollar index as well. If price starts breaking above that major resistance high just through here, you may want to ignore this move because price may start to extend through the range. So that is the risk to the analysis at the moment. But if we do see that consolidation and a break to the downside with in line with the dollar index, then we could be on for a move back to these swing lows or the range lows. So keep an eye on dollar CAD. I hope you enjoyed the video update. If you did, leave this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the YouTube channel to see some more Forex trading content. And I'll speak to you in the next video.